Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on how to create a high converting landing page for affiliate marketing. So essentially I'm going to be walking you through how to create a high converting landing page funnel to promote affiliate offers using the systeme.io platform. And by the end of this video you will have absolutely all the knowledge, tactics and tools required to build an incredibly effective landing page for affiliate marketing completely for free. You won't even need any technical skills or design experience. So the first and most critical step is identifying a high converting, profitable affiliate offer or product to promote through your landing page funnel. And for that, you may want to thoroughly research potential offers within growing high buyer intent niches that meet the following criteria. We have the evergreen niche with ongoing buyer demand, as you can look for markets within recurring problems people need to solve versus short-term fads. And examples may include health or fitness, dating, personal finance, etc. Additionally, we have the generous commission payout per sale. Look for at least $30 plus average earnings per conversion. Higher commissions give you more incentive and earnings potential, obviously. There's also the extensive affiliate marketing resources, as great affiliate programs provide ad creatives, promo tools, and marketing collateral that you can leverage to boost your conversions. So I personally recommend thoroughly browsing top affiliate networks like ClickBank, Share a Sale, or Impact. That's my favorite. There are more so that you can find lucrative offers that check all of those boxes. So once you find a great offer that meets all of the criteria above, grab your unique affiliate link from the network to use later when setting up our landing page. After you found your offer, we need a platform to build and host our landing page funnel. So for this, I highly recommend using systeme.io because it's completely free to use and provides all of the necessary tools and templates to quickly build a high converting sales funnels. So go to systeme.io and sign up for a free account by entering your name and email address in the homepage form. Once you're logged into your account dashboard, here is the step-by-step instructions for setting up your landing page funnel. We want to click on funnels in the top navigation menu bar and then the create funnel button to start building your new landing page from scratch. So start by giving your funnel a name. I highly recommend using your affiliate offer name or something closely related so that you can connect them easily. So if I'm doing some kind of offer for work from home, I can name it remote writing jobs funnel. Or for example, if you're promoting an offer about fitness, so lose weight or build muscle quickly, you can name it something like that. And then under funnel type, choose the build an audience since our goal is capturing subscriber leads through our landing page. Once you click on save, your new funnel is created. You will see that systeme.io automatically builds a 2-page funnel template for you, including an initial opt-in page and a thank you page that visitors will pass through after opting in. And we can heavily optimize both pages for maximum conversions. And now we can walk through the optimizing your high converting squeeze page. So the squeeze page, also called your landing page or opt-in page, is the first step where visitors will enter their email address in exchange for your lead magnet or giveaway. And this page is critical as it's your initial opportunity to educate visitors about your affiliate offer and capture their contact information. So click edit page on your squeeze page template within systeme.io to open the customizable page editor. And here we can tweak all the elements that we want on the page for maximum conversions, and this includes headlines and copy, offer framing and positioning, sign up forms, image, graphics and videos. You've got the colors, fonts and branding, and call to action placement. So we need to optimize each one of the sections. And your main headline is one of the most critical elements. It is the first thing that visitors see, so take significant time to craft a compelling headline that resonates with your target audience. Conduct some research, maybe take inspiration from successful landing pages, and this heavily depends on your own offer and what you would want to grab the attention for. So study your affiliate offer page as well as top competitors in the niche to identify hooks, pains or desires that you can incorporate to grab the attention. Something that always works is shooting for curiosity, triggering headlines over hard selling. So I could give you an example about the weight loss one. So a compelling kind of hook would be something like struggling to lose weight. Do you want to look the best you ever did before your wedding, or something similar to that? And then you could include a statement like learn how to lose as much weight as possible in 30 days. This is just an example I'm including for this page that I'm making for the video. You would obviously want to spend more time designing your own page and choosing the best kind of headline. After that, you have the sub-headline, which allows you to further expand on the core value proposition of your affiliate offer. So continue telling the story and pique interest. Really emphasize and expand on the painful problem that your affiliate product solves for the reader. So you can include a paragraph for this one. Something like if you're looking to lose more weight and create the healthy or amazing lifestyle that you've always dreamt of, then make sure to submit your information below so that you can discover how you can achieve all of that. The next important step is keeping our opt-in form short and only request the minimum information necessary. Like for example, their name and email address. You can personalize follow-ups later. but you don't want to have an absurdly long kind of form where you're constantly asking for many different kind of information. People don't have the attention span and they don't really feel invested enough to fill all the form in. Like I said, you can always personalize the follow-ups later. So minimal fields reduce the friction. Don't ask for phone numbers or company name or job titles or other unnecessary information. Limit the required inputs. Next up, we have the prominent call to action button. As this is one of the most critical elements, make your main call to action bold and clearly noticeable. Ensure that it's linked to your affiliate link so visitors are sent to the sales page upon opting in. And of course, we want to incorporate high converting design elements. If you want to boost conversions, then you want to incorporate compelling visual design elements. And for that, I recommend using relevant high resolution background image. Having an eye-catching background image helps anchor your page visually. Source free high quality stock photos on pixels relevant to your offer. So for example, since my offer is about health or fitness, I choose an image featuring a happy man or woman who clearly have a healthy lifestyle. So upload the image just like that in systeme.io and stretch it across the full viewable width by adjusting page section padding and margins. There is also the cohesive modern color scheme, so pick colors that complement your brand and design. Adobe's color wheel generator is a great tool. So if your background is blue, for example, you can make your call to action button in bold orange to draw attention and create contrast. Sample colors from your affiliate sales page for cohesive transitions. We also may want to include social proof and credibility. You can add trust indicators like testimonials or certification badges, secure checkout icons, and all of that. Those greatly increase the visitor confidence. For example, you could include a few brief video testimonials from customers that you have demonstrating your offer's value. Additionally, something that I usually see on stores or landing pages is displaying scarcity and urgency. So consider displaying limited quantity, countdown timer, or exclusivity elements to prompt urgency and faster opt-ins. For example, you could say only 15 free guides remaining or discount ends in 10 minutes, for example. And whenever it is possible, make sure to incorporate additional images, infographics, or videos from your affiliate's collateral to build more value. So for example, an overview video explaining how your offer helps solve their problem. Visuals tend to boost engagement and interest in your affiliate product. And when all that is said and done, thoroughly preview your complete squeeze page and ensure all the elements work cohesively together. Continually refine and optimize every component with a conversion-focused mindset. And of course, we want to test it on mobile devices to guarantee responsiveness. Your squeeze page is the foundation of your funnel's success. Once a visitor opts in by entering their email on your squeeze page, systeme.io automatically advances them to the second step in your funnel. And that's the thank you page. So use your thank you page to further educate about the immense value of your affiliate offer, establish additional credibility and trust through the social proof, and prominently re-promote your affiliate link. So the goal is continuing to warm up those subscribers before ultimately redirecting them to your affiliate sales page with your tracking link to complete the purchase. So what kind of things you may want to include in your thank you page that actually are proven to boost conversions? There's the thank you headline and sub-headline for opting in, adding a short paragraph that summarizes your offer's core benefits, additional social proof, testimonials, ratings, and reviews. And of course, you may want to have a final clickable call to action button with your affiliate link. So of course, check that your call to action button is linked to your unique affiliate link that we got earlier so you get proper credit for conversions. And of course, preview your thank you page both on mobile and desktop and continually refine it over time to increase the opt-in to sale conversions. One of the best ways to maximize your landing page conversions is offering free high-value opt-in incentives. So rather than a generic giveaway, create something targeted and highly relevant to your audience. Think of yourself as the audience that is viewing the page. What would actually grab your attention and make you click? So you can have lead magnet PDF guides, cheat sheets, templates, or swipe files, maybe exclusive discount codes or coupon access to a limited time free trial or locked training, multi-part video courses, challenge series, or maybe a weekly workshop. You can offer the free plus shipping offers where visitors only pay minimal S&H costs. So the greater value you provide up front, the higher your opt-in rates will climb. Definitely invest time into creating premium incentives that persuades leads to join your list. And of course, another powerful way to maximize affiliate conversions is by setting up the post opt-in automated email sequences. Systeme.io makes it very simple to set up automated email sequences. And this automatically delivers a pre-written series of emails through systeme.io to anyone who signs up through your squeeze page. Each email continues nurturing your subscribers by providing value related to your affiliate offer, establishing credibility and incorporating your affiliate link. This repeatedly markets to leads, increasing sales. And here's how you can create high converting sequences. You want to name your sequence aligned to your funnel, so for example, the weight loss journey. And then you want to write and schedule a 5 to 10 part email series delivered over 10 to 20 days. You can spread out the delivery with one email sent every 1 to 3 days so that you can build momentum and offer additional lead magnets or bonuses in sequence to boost open rates. Share highly targeted social proof, testimonials, case studies, and reviews. And of course, you can segment your list based on engagement levels for personalized follow-ups. A method that can make your emails more personalized is that you can send sequence messages from a person's name, not your brand. And of course, always provide value and helpful educational information before your call to action. So invest time into your emails. Well-executed sequences generate sales hands-off over the long run. And now that you've built a high-converting landing page funnel with powerful automation, next, we need to drive targeted, interested traffic to our squeeze page. And some of the proven strategies include Facebook and Instagram paid ads. You should create hyper-targeted ads optimized for conversions, interests, behaviors, demographics, and lookalike audiences. Social promotions work well as you can post lead gen giveaways and contests across all of your social media accounts. We've also got the content marketing with blog posts and videos focused on topics that your audience cares about. Embedding your page link. Email marketing, influencer marketing, and search engine optimization go a long way. This helps you target strategic long-tail keywords potential customers are searching related to your offer. So no matter what method you end up choosing, or all of them even, the key is driving warm traffic that matches your ideal customer avatar. And finally, the last thing we want to talk about in this video is implementing powerful analytics tracking. To further optimize your landing page and traffic, leverage advanced tracking across devices. You can install the Facebook Pixel to monitor ad conversions and optimize ads. Connect Google Analytics to track goal completions, geography, referrals, etc. And use click tracking software to identify on-page drop-off points and behaviors. Proper tracking provides the data that you need to continually refine your funnel over time. And in order to maximize the results from your landing page funnel, constantly test and iterate on elements using the analytics data. Some of the areas to focus your testing on include headline and sub-headline combinations, different opt-in incentives or giveaway offers, varying your call to action copy and placement, email sequence content, timing, frequency, segmentation, and all of that. So essentially, that's everything you need to know for creating fully optimized high converting landing pages and convergence funnels for promoting any affiliate offer using systeme.io. Hopefully this walkthrough has left you with absolutely everything you need to choose a profitable affiliate product, customize your landing pages, connect automations, and maximize your commissions through affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. We'll be happily answering them for you or even making new videos so that you can take your affiliate marketing to the next level. So definitely be sure to be subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you can tune in the future videos as well. Thank you once again for watching and see you guys in the next video.